Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel for more video updates. In this video I will discuss the question and their solution of Cbse sample paper of Information Technology 402 2022-23. Section A Objective Type Questions. Question 1. Answer any 4 out of the given 6 questions on employability skills. 1. Operating system enables multiple users to work on the same computer at different times or simultaneously. A. Multiprogramming. B. Multiprocessors. C. Multi-user. D. Multitasking. Answer. Multi-user. 2. Is a series of postures and breathing exercises practiced to achieve control of body and mind. A. Meditation. B. Nature walk. C. Yoga. D. Physical exercise. Answer. Yoga. 3. From the following statements, which one is not correct about the qualities of an entrepreneur? A. Successful entrepreneurs adapt the habit of hard work from a very early stage. B. Entrepreneur should not think optimistically about the future of the business. C. Confident entrepreneur must not deviate from his/her decisions too early in case success is delayed. D. Entrepreneurs like to function at their own will and rules. Answer. Entrepreneur should not think optimistically about the future of the business. 4. To remove the files of temporary folder, we type -in run dialog box after pressing Windows button +R on the keyboard. A. #temp #B %temp%C $temp%D and temp and. Answer. %temp%. We is not the quality of self-confident people. A. Dependent. B. Hard-working. C. Positive attitude. D. Commitment. Answer. Dependent. 6. From the following statements, which one is not the positive impact of entrepreneurship on society? A. Stimulates innovation and efficiency. B. Creates jobs and employment opportunities. C. Solves the problems of the society. D. Discourages welfare of the society. Answer. Discourages welfare of the society. Question 2. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. I-key is used to reduce repetitive strain. A. Sticky. B. Cereal. C. Mouse. D. Toggle. Answer. Sticky. 2 means that the query uses criteria you provide to hide some data and display only required data. A. Filtering. B. Sorting. C. Report. D. Forms. Answer. Filtering. 3. Which of the following application is not appropriate to store data about ABC Bank customers? A. Open Office Base. B. MS Access. C. Open Office Writer. D. MS Excel. Answer. Open Office Writer. 4. When you open a new spreadsheet, by default, it has a sheet named which is managed using tabs at the bottom of the spreadsheet. A. Sheet 1. B. Untitled 1. C. Worksheet 1. D. New sheet. Answer. Sheet 1. We, in a word processor, dash option is selected for a scaled resizing of an image. A. Original size. B. Keep ratio. C. Image size. D. Relative. Answer. Keep ratio. 6. Multiple copies of the same file leads to dash. A. Data inconsistency. B. Data consistency. C. Data redundancy. D. Foreign key. Answer. Data redundancy. Question 3. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. I. It is a reference point for the graphics, which is created while positioning any image. This point could be the page or frame where the object is either a paragraph or even a character in a word processor. A. Wrap text. B. Alignment. C. Anchoring. D. Bookmark. Answer. Anchoring. 2. Identify the property which help to set the number of characters in text varchar type field of a table in DBMS. A. Entry required. B. Default value. C. Size. D. Length. Answer. Length. 3. Dash is designed to help users with auditory impairments. A. Sound sentry. B. High contrast. C. Serial key. D. Show sounds. Answer. Sound sentry. 4. State whether true or false. It is not possible to create a default template in a word processor. A. True. B. False. Answer. False. We. Reviewers and authors can add there to explain their changes in the cell of spreadsheet. A. Comments. B. Hyperlink. C. Worksheet. D. Macros. Answer. Comments. 6. In Calc, arguments passed to a macro from Calc are always A. Cell reference. B. Value. C. Both A and B. D. Sheet reference. Answer. Value. Question 4. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. I. Identify the website that offers offline blog service for free. A. Blog Desk. B. Kumana. C. WordPress. D. Both A and B. Answer. Both A and B. 2. John has written a book consisting of 15 chapters. He wanted to make the index of the book. Suggest him the option used to create the index automatically in a word processor. A. Tables. B. Mail merge. C. Columns. D. Table of content. Answer. Table of content. 3. The length of the field value of text data type is dash characters by default in DBMS. A. 10. B. 25. C. 20. D. 50. Answer. 50. 4. A healthy lifestyle helps to keep and improve people's health and well-being. It does not include A. Healthy eating habits. B. Stress management. C. Physical activities. D. Less sleep. Answer. Less sleep. We. In a spreadsheet using to create a hyperlink to a web FTP or telnet, click on the dash icon available in hyperlink dialog box. A. Browser. B. Hyperlink. C. Internet. D. Mail and news. Answer. Internet. 6. A dash refers to a cell or a range of cells on a worksheet and can be used to find the values or data that you want formula to calculate. A. Cell reference. B. Block. C. Sheet reference. D. Autofill. Answer. Cell reference. Question 5. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. I. Identify the mode where we can modify in the structure of table. A. Datasheet view. B. Structure view. C. Design view. D. All of the above. Answer. Design view. 2. BSNL stands for dash. A. Bihar Sanchar Nigam Limited. B. Bharat Samachar Nigam Limited. C. Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. D. None of the above. Answer. Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. 3. Dash function takes data from a series of worksheets or workbooks and summaries it into a single worksheet that you can update easily. A. Data combination. B. Data merging. C. Data consolidation. D. Data concatenation. Answer. Data consolidation. 4. Store data in a single table which is suitable to store less amount of data. A. Flat file. B. Relational. C. Mini file. D. Single file. Answer. Flat file. 5. In a word processor, by default, evaluates dash levels of headings when it builds the table of contents. A. 3. B. 7. C. 10. D. 12. Answer. 3. As per MS Word. And 10. As per Liber and OpenOffice Writer. 6. In dash networks, all computers have an equal status and each terminal has an equally competent CPU. A. Man. B. WAN. C. Client server. D. P2P. Answer. P2P. Section B. Subjective type questions. Answer any 3 out of the given 5 questions on employability skills. Answer each question in 20 to 30 words. Question 6. What are the advantages of the ability to work independently? Answer. The advantages of the ability to work independently are: 1. Ensures greater learning. 2. Individuals feel more empowered and responsible. 3. It provides flexibility to choose and define working hours and working mechanisms. 4. Failure and success of the task assigned are accounted by individuals. 5. Individuals become assets to organizations, groups and nations at large. 6. It ensures creativity and satisfaction amongst individuals. Question 7. Name the stress causal agents. Answer. The stress causal agents are: 1. Mental. 2. Physical. 3. Social. 4. Financial. Question 8. What do you mean by disk defragmentation? Answer. A disk defragmentation removes all unnecessary information that slows down the computer. It should be done at regular intervals, which helps the disk space to be used at an optimal level. Question 9. Explain any 2 myths about entrepreneurship. Answer. Any 2 myths about entrepreneurship are: 1. The misconception is that every business idea needs to be unique or special. Each entrepreneur saw customer demand and brought a new idea into their business. A person can take an idea that is already there in the market and do something different with it. 2. The misconception we have is that a person needs a lot of money to start a business. Every business does not need a lot of capital to start. Depending on how much money you have or can borrow, you can start a business with that much money. Once you make more money, you can put that into your business to make it bigger. Question 10. Write any 4 roles of entrepreneurs. Answer. Any 4 roles of entrepreneurs are: 1. Coordinating role. 2. Agent's role. 3. Innovator's role. 4. Risk assumption role. Answer any 4 out of the given 6 questions in 20 to 30 words each. Question 11. State any 2 purposes of using templates in a Word document. Answer. The purpose of using templates is: I. To save the time. 2. It is a pre-designed document you can use to create documents quickly without having to think about formatting. Question 12. Mention any 2 operations that can be performed using macros in a spreadsheet. Answer. Macros are used to perform different types of operations in a spreadsheet. 1. Formatting settings to be applied repeatedly in a spreadsheet. 2. Sorting data. 3. Applying any mathematical functions, formulas. Question 13. What do you mean by hyperlinks in spreadsheets? Give the 2 different types of hyperlinks that can be used in spreadsheets. Answer. Hyperlinks can be used in Calc to jump to a different location from within a spreadsheet and can lead to other parts of the current file, to different files. It can be stored within a file as either relative or absolute hyperlinks. Question 14. List numeric and alphanumeric data types in OpenOffice Base. Answer. Numeric data types are tiny int, small int, integer, big int, decimal, real, float, double and boolean. Alphanumeric data types are char, fix, varchar, varchar underscore ignore case and lungavarchar, memo. Question 15. Differentiate between filter keys and toggle keys in Microsoft Windows. Answer. Filter keys is an accessibility function that tells the keyboard to ignore brief or repeated keystrokes, making typing easier for people with hand tremors. Toggle keys is an accessibility function which is designed for people who have vision impairment or cognitive disabilities. When toggle keys is turned on, Computer emits sound cues when the locking keys, caps lock, num lock, or scroll lock, are pressed. Question 16. In which situations online shopping could be useful? Write any two popular e-commerce websites. Answer. Online shopping could be useful in situations when 1. A customer does not have sufficient time to visit stores. 2. Visiting a store is more expensive than purchasing a product online. Two popular online transaction websites are 1. Flipkart, an online shopping portal for buying consumer products. 2. eBay, an online portal for buying and selling goods. Answer any 3 out of the given 5 questions in 50-80 words each. Question 17. Anshita is preparing spreadsheet notes for her term exam. Help her to write short note on the following. 1. Scenarios. 2. Goal seek. 3. Solver. 4. Subtotal. Answer. Ashu must apply goal seek to get the desired result. 1. Scenarios. Scenarios are a tool to test what-if questions. Each scenario is named and can be edited and formatted separately. It is essentially a saved set of cell values for your calculations. You can easily switch between these sets using the navigator or a drop-down list which can be shown beside the changing cells. 2. Goal seek. It is used to calculate a result based upon existing values. Using Goal Seek option under Tools menu, we can discover what values will produce the result that we want. 3. Solver. It is more elaborated form of Goal Seek. The difference is that the solver deals with equations with multiple unknown variables. It is specifically designed to minimize or maximize the result according to a set of rules that we define. 4. Subtotal. Subtotal is a function listed under the mathematical category when you use the function wizard, insert function. Because of its usefulness, the function has a graphical interface. Subtotal, totals adds data arranged in an array, that is, a group of cells with labels for columns and or rows. Using the subtotals dialog, you can select arrays and then choose a statistical function to apply to them. For efficiency, you can choose up to 3 groups of arrays to which to apply a function. Question 18. Tanmay is a class X student. He has learnt mail merge option of a word processor in his computer period. But he is confused with few terms used to merge documents. Explain the following briefly, which will help Tanmay better understand the mail merge options. 1. Merge field. 2. Data source. 3. Main document. 4. Mention 2 types of data on which mail merge can be applied. Answer. 1. Merge field. A merge field is where you want to insert the information from a data source into a main document. Merge fields appear with chevrons. 2. Data source. Data source is a file that contains the names and addresses or any other information that vary with each version of a mail merge document. 3. Main document. Main document is the document which contains text and graphics. It may be a formal or an official letter. 4. 2 types of data on which mail merge can be applied are labels and letters. Question 19. Consider the following table, sales. Answer the following question related to given table. 1. How many fields and records are there in sales table? 2. Write SQL commands for the following. 1. Display sales ID and price of all products whose discount is more than 1000. 2. Display the details alphabetically by product name. 3. Display product name and sales price after deducting the discount from the price. Answer. 1. 4 fields and 4 records are there in table sales. 2 SQL commands. 1. Select sale_ID, price from sales where discount 1000. 2. Select asterisk from sales order by prod_name. 3. Select prod_name, price, discount from sales. Question 20. Your friend owns a chemist shop. He needs to keep records of the medicines with their IDs, date of purchase, expiry date, price, etc. in a database program. But he does not have any knowledge about the database. Explain to him the following to get a better understanding of the DBMS concepts. 1. What is DBMS? Explain in brief. 2. Name any 2 database programs which can be used to create a table and store the data as per the requirement. 3. Which field can be set as a primary key? Is it possible to make more than one field as a primary key in your table? Yes, no. Justify your answer. Answer. 1. A database management system is a software package with computer programs that controls the creation, maintenance, and use of a database. It allows organizations to conveniently develop databases for various applications. 2 databases are 1. Microsoft Access, 2. MySQL. 3. ID field will be suitable for primary key. Yes, we can make more than one column as a primary key in a table, and it is known as composite primary key. Question 21. Vicky is a student of class X. He used to get the work based on internet surfing, but he is not aware of the internet and its terminology. Being a friend of Vicky, help him in finding the answers of the following questions. A. What do you mean by internet service provider? B. Expand the following terms. 1. WAP. 2. W3. C. Mention any two advantages of networking. D. What is a blog? Name any two online blogs. Answer. 1. Networks in which all computers have an equal status are called peer-to-peer networks, whereas in which certain computers have special dedicated tasks, providing services to other computers in the network, are called client-server networks. To expand the following terms. 1. Wireless access point. 2. www. World Wide Web. 3. Advantages of networking are. A. Data sharing. One of the most important uses of networking is to allow the sharing of data. B. Files transfer. Users can send text files, spreadsheets, documents, presentations, audio files, video files, etc. to other users. C. Hardware sharing. Hardware components such as printers, scanners, etc. can also be shared. For example, instead of purchasing 10 printers for each user, one printer can be purchased and shared among multiple users, thus saving cost. D. Internet access sharing. You can purchase a single internet connection and share it among other computers in a network instead of purchasing multiple internet connections for each computer. This is very commonly found in internet cafe, browsing centers, schools, colleges, companies, etc. E. Usage of network-based applications, such as web browsers, email clients, chat. 4. A blog is a discussion-style site used by non-technical or technical users for creating personal web pages. Blogs are similar to an online personal diary and simple to use. The advantage of offline blog is, it can be created first and later publish the content when an active internet connection is available. Question for visually impaired students. Question 21. Define the following. 1. Sorting with respect to DBMS. 2. Referential integrity. 3. Many-to-many relationship with respect to DBMS. 4. Foreign key. Answer. 1. Sorting data. Sorting means to arrange the data in either ascending order or descending order. Select the columns, then click on Sort buttons. The data will be displayed accordingly. 2. Referential integrity is used to maintain accuracy and consistency of data in a relationship. In base, data can be linked between two or more tables with the help of primary key and foreign key constraints. Referential integrity helps to avoid times adding records to a related table if there is no associated record available in the primary key table. Times changing values in a primary if any dependent records are present in associated tables. Times deleting records from a primary key table if there are any matching related records available in associated tables. 3. Many-to-many relationship. In this relationship, no table has the primary key column. It signifies that all the columns of primary key table are associated with all the columns of associated table. Example, in the given tables EMP and depth, there is no primary key. 4. Foreign key identifies a column or set of columns in one, referencing table that refers to a column or set of columns in another, referenced table. The one side of a relation is always the parent and provides the pk attributes to be copied. The many side of a relation is always the child, into which the fk attributes are copied.